Okay, so what the hell am I up to today? Well, I thought I'd see how annoying this this exhaust is in the middle of town, in the middle of a town with really narrow streets, so and high buildings, where the exhaust is going to resonate and echo all around. So here I am in the county town of Shrewsbury, well, on the edge of it anyway, and there's a shitload of traffic because it is a Saturday and they're all Christmas shopping, I guess. So if it's not too crazy, what I'll do is I'll see if I can get parked up in the centre and go and grab myself a coffee. No, I'm not going to be acting the fool and revving it for the sake of revving it in the middle of town. Just going to ride through normally and make sure I don't annoy lots of people. Well, I don't know about make sure. Check that I don't annoy a load of people. If I do, I guess I'm going to have to rethink the exhaust idea. It's not annoying me yet, but then all the noise is behind me, so I don't suppose it would do. I've got a feeling it's going to be like this all the way through town. It's not a town designed for vehicles, not anymore. Horses and carts perhaps. But it's certainly not designed for four-wheeled vehicles. Must be in a good mood today. I'm letting people go in front of me. I'm in no rush. Right, that's it. I had enough of hanging about. Well, it's noisy under bridges. I haven't got too many of them today. I didn't see what that sign said. I'm not too sure whether it's actually closed. The centre of town, which might account for all these people sitting here queuing up. Right, once I'm over this bridge, I am in the town. It's an old fortress town, which the river surrounds, and I'm going over the river now. Now if you look over there in the distance, the other side of the bridge, there's a sign painted on the side of that building. This car's going to be in the way. Cycles, motorcycles, tyres, Velocette. I'll stick a still up of that. Obviously used to be a motorcycle dealer there many moons ago, way before my time. I mean, I'm actually not from this area originally, so definitely before my time. I moved over here, or over this way for work a long time ago, but not that long ago. Now I can't see from here, but if I can't turn right in a moment, then that means they've closed the centre of town. And I only know one motorcycle park in the middle of town, so I might not be getting a coffee here. There, that sign there. Cycles, motorcycles, blah-de-blah. I've never known a motorcycle dealer there, so... Right, yeah, middle of town's closed, so I've got to work my way around the outside. That's kind of buggered it, because there's some great little narrow streets along there where I could definitely have checked the echo. There are other ways into the middle of town, so I've just got to go around a little way to get to them. I don't know whether it's just that one road, one access road that's closed, or whether the whole of the centre of town is closed. So far not too many people are looking over their shoulders and glaring at me, so I could be safe. I'm going to hit one of these speed bumps shortly. Too close to the car in front, I can't see him coming. Every time I come along here, I think I mention it, but that's the church that Charles Darwin was baptised in. I don't trust this this old bugger in this car in front of me, but I'm in the middle of town. I'm not sure I trust him behind me either, so maybe staying behind him's the best bet. At least I can keep an eye on what he's up to. That cake looks good enough to eat. Look at that, the sun's out. We're in the middle of November. It's actually pretty damn mild. And the sun is shining. If this is what global warming's all about, I'll have some of that. Right, that street to the right, which I can't turn up here, that's where there's a motorcycle parking bay, and that's where I'm heading for. and this isn't closed, so it looks like it's just the one access road. Excellent. I can taste the coffee already. Maybe coming over here on a Saturday was not a great idea, but ooh, no, we're okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can get this thing parked in a straightish line. That works for me.